Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is destitute. It's pronounced de-st-tute, and it is spelt D-E-S-T-I-T-U-T-E. Think dest, it, and then ute. Destitute describes something or someone extremely poor and lacking the means to provide for themselves. The word destitute comes from the Latin word destitutus, which means abandoned. In 2018, over 1.5 million people in the UK were pushed into destitution, going without the bare essentials and struggling to make ends meet. This is why charities such as the Childhood Trust are so important. They have worked to help a staggering 93,000 children and young people who are struggling with poverty and destitution. Destitute usually describes a person. For example, you could have a destitute child or a destitute old man, but not a destitute house, as a house does not need to provide for itself in the first place. Destitute can be turned into destitution to make it a noun, meaning poverty so extreme that one lacks the means to provide for oneself. For example, the family faced eviction and destitution. Destitute describes something or someone extremely poor and lacking the means to provide for themselves. Destitute synonyms include penniless, impoverished, poverty-stricken, poor, insolvent, and broke. Antonyms include rich, wealthy, affluent, moneyed, opulent, substantial, propertied, and loaded. See if you can describe something as destitute today. It doesn't have to be someone who is actually destitute, but it could be a TV or a book character. A good example might be Aladdin, for example. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.